Axie Infinity, in every practical sense, is a mid-position coin with the ticker AX that sort of has a truly present worth of $12.35 and a market capitalization of $1,710.63,797 in an unpretentious manner. Digital currencies, in every practical sense, have kind of lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in an unpretentious way. These days, it's a resource class that generally is significantly directed, and surprisingly took on as legitimate delicate. Some huge venture banks even fundamentally get Axie Infinity, and in every practical sense, other digital currencies all at once to explicitly safeguard their resources under administration arm against the running expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors in spite of prevalent thinking. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the AX market that depend on the readings of our really novel crypto unpredictability file that in every practical sense assists us with checking the market feeling and generally expect where and which the market means to go in an unobtrusive manner for the most part. At this point, the cost of Axie Infinity in every practical sense is $12.35, while the coin right now sort of ends up at 48th spot in the exceptionally buy and large positioning, so Axie Infinity generally is a mid-position coin with the ticker AX that really has a truly present worth of $12.35 and a market capitalization of $1,710.63,797, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The said truly positioning generally is assessed based on the resource's truly present value that is duplicated by its truly current market capitalization, an equation that generally is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients especially get the most significant information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios. Amazingly, it's likewise vital to fundamentally consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in a sort of significant manner. On walk 12, the cost of Axie Infinity by and large was at $12.52 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change especially added up to 123%, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. 7 days prior on walk 6, Axie truly was esteemed at $9.77, which especially intends that from that point forward, the value sort of has commonly vacillated by 0%, which basically is genuinely critical. A month prior, on February 13, the market member laid out the cost of Axie Infinity at $7.47. Hence, the coin generally has taken a 65-30% action to, for the most part, arrive at its truly present standings, which by and large is very critical. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Axie Infinity isn't the main by and large factor that we especially consider while making the cost forecast, which is very huge. It's likewise essential to keep a very sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to especially have an unmistakable perspective on where the market fundamentally is going, which is genuinely huge. The examination of market capitalization certainly conveys fundamentally equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology by and large is utilized to really decide the very generally position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Changes in market capitalization, positive or in every practical sense, negative fundamentally, are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's kind of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both especially short and by and large long-haul viewpoints, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This specific pretty measurement by and large is likewise used to check the strength of Axie Infinity comparable to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition. So at this point, the cost of Axie Infinity for the most part is $12.35, while the coin as of now generally ends up at 48th spot in the truly generally speaking positioning. So Axie Infinity explicitly is a mid-position coin with a ticker AX that truly has a genuinely present worth of $12.35 and a market capitalization of $1,710.63,797 in an unobtrusive manner. To especially decide the in every practical sense current market capitalization of Axie, we fundamentally duplicate the flowing stockpile, the boundary that will truly be somewhat made sense of later, by the kind of present worth of the cryptographic money under survey in a really significant manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Axie Infinity remains at $1,710.63,797, which shapes the reason for essentially present sort of positioning. Explicitly was referenced before, or so they especially thought. Yesterday on Walk 12, Axie by and large had a market capitalization of $1,733.28. Truly further appearance how the examination of market capitalization generally conveys truly equivalent significance in both digital currency and conventional business sectors, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Keep going week on Walk 6, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $1,350,340,663, which generally is genuinely huge. A month prior, on February 13, the market worth of Axie Infinity explicitly was surveyed to be $125,205,672, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that sort of have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, exhibiting that a month prior, on February 13, the market worth of Axie Infinity truly was surveyed to explicitly be $125,205,672 in a genuinely large manner. These digital currencies can sort of be utilized either for genuinely dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers in an unobtrusive manner. This sort of measurement additionally figures the coins that in a real sense have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which especially is applied to control the expansion rate, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. At this point, the especially all-out supply of Axie Infinity really is laid out at 270,000 Axie, or so they thought. Finally, the circling. Supply generally is utilized to, in a real sense, work out the market capitalization and generally evaluate the coins essentially current remaining in the positions amazingly. It means the exceptionally by and large measure of Axie that in a real sense is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that truly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly truly put unavailable for general use out of the blue, which truly is very huge. It's by and large commonly trusted that digital currencies that sort of have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million basically are the most appropriate for long-haul speculation, since they sort of are generally sort of liable to see the value in esteem over a lengthy time frame, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in a kind of significant manner. At this crossroads, Axie Infinity truly has a circling supply of 138,4 out of 24,590 coins in a sort of significant manner. Over the, in every practical sense, recent hours, the exchanging volume related with Axie arrived at the place of Tana 138,77,956, showing how it's likewise critical to fundamentally consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday on Walk 12, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame commonly remained at $194,466,696, which is very critical. 7 days prior on Walk 6, how much Axie that basic